Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you and show you how to uninstall the pre-installed bloatware applications on your OPPO Reno 15. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open this app view for all applications on your device. These are all the applications I do have on my device, and if you want to see the more detailed list, go to settings and here scroll down to the apps. The same list of the applications is here in the app management over here. Let's go back low to this list over here, and the first thing that we have to do over here is to select, hold our finger on the application that is clearly a bloatware. For example, Aquablocks, all games that are on this device are just bloatware. They are just bloatware. AliExpress, Amazon Shopping, Aquablocks, Block Blast, Bridge something, Bubble something, Candy Crush Saga. Every single game that is here is a bloatware. A piece of bloatware. And to uninstall, hold your finger on the application, uninstall, uninstall. Hold finger on the application, uninstall, uninstall. Hold finger on the application, uninstall, uninstall. And this process should be repeated as long as you see these applications on your device, because the less applications, bloatware applications you have on your device, the better the phone performs. For example, here we have on Coffee Rush something, Coffee Run 3D, Collectible, Matcha Mall, something like that. Here, as you can see, we have here some fruit shooting sharp knife, even some lady shops, everything. Just uninstall these applications you don't really recognize, but don't uninstall any system applications like, for example, Wallet or ZenSpace or any other messages app. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.